How Circuits Work by Leah Rooney. The purpose of this project is to find out how circuits work. I think for a circuit to work, it needs a power source, wires, and an output to function. We got this kit at kiwico.com. Here is what came in the kit. It also came with detailed instructions and explanations for each step. My mom recorded the process while I followed the instructions. We stopped to check our progress, but when we flipped the switch, nothing happened. So we had to go back and check our connections. When we went back, we saw that we made some mistakes. So when we fixed them, it worked.
Make sure the wire's up.
Now that I knew that everything was working, we started building the outside of the speaker. After we built the outside of the speaker, we tested it again and it worked. It was satisfying to see the speaker working, and I learned a lot more about how circuits work I was right that they need a power source, wires, an output, but most importantly, it needs to create a full circle. If something is out of place or the circle is incomplete, it will simply not work. I hope you enjoyed watching my science fair video. Goodbye!